To make volume louder on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we can open settings on our phone. Over here we need to find sound and vibration, and after that you should be able to go to the volume section. Of course, in here you can adjust the volume for all of these things that we have in here. You can move left and right in order to make something louder or increase the loudness of these things. But besides that, what you can do is you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and you should be able to find media volume limit. Usually this option is disabled, but when it is enabled, then of course the custom volume limit decides what is the maximum loudness available on your phone. So you can increase it to 100 decibels if you need to, or just adjust it to anything in between, or you can just completely turn it off in order to ensure that you can use the maximum loudness pretty much all the time. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.